Burbank Tower, Champion Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra, holding short 08 for a departure to the northwest.
Champion Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra, Bob Hope Airport Tower, runway 8, winds 170 at 3, cleared for takeoff. After takeoff, fly runway heading until reaching 5500, then proceed on course.
Clear for takeoff 08, fly runway heading till 5500, X-Ray Golf Sierra. That's kind of high. I think we might just, we'll think about that. I do want to be at 5500 if the weather permits.
Juliet, contact departure.
Over to departure, 6 Juliet.
Okay.
Juliet, welcome to Bob Hope. Contact ground on 123.9er.
500.
123.9, that's 6 Juliet.
Runway heading. If I'm out of their airspace, I don't need to comply with that 5,000.
Romeo Charlie, contact departure.
I'm going to turn out onto my own course.
United 722, welcome to Bob Hope. Contact ground on 123.9er.
Tower United 722, we're clear of the active non-movement area. Contact ground 123.9er, United 722. Contact departure on 120.4.
X-Ray Golf Sierra, request frequency change to SoCal departure.
Contact departure on 120.4.
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, frequency change approved. Contact SoCal departure.
0.4.
American 1228, contact departure.
SoCal departure, Champion Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra with you, approaching 5,500 feet, correction, approaching 5,000 feet for 5,500. Request flight following to Kilo Mike Hotel Victor, X-Ray Golf Sierra.
American 315, contact Los Angeles Center on 134.575.
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, Squawk 1251 and ident.
American 3.
Squawk 1251 and ident, X-Ray Golf Sierra.
134.575 for American 383. Sky Air, contact Van Nuys Tower on 119.3. 119.3. We're going to do another go round and the whole handle contact. Is that alright? Sky Air.
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, radar contact over White Man at 5200 feet. Appointment altimeter 29904. Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, own navigation.
On navigation, but do we have flight following X-Ray Golf Sierra?
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, you already have flight following to Mojave.
X-Ray Golf Sierra, thank you.
No, 118.7, Southwest 830. Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, you're welcome. Center on 134.575.
134.575 for Southwest 2741. Departure
To get the sun. Oh, there we go. There's the sun.
Lightning 13 Whiskey, contact SoCal departure on 124.3.
Cirrus 2 Alpha Bravo radar contact, Van Nuys altimeter 2991.
Advise on initial contact. You have information Papa.
Cirrus 2 Alpha Bravo
Palmdale
altimeter
Regional
2991
Airport.
Wilco.
Information Papa. 1253 Zulu. Arriving and departing runways 2225. Wind 185 at 6. Visibility 10. Sky conditions, clear. Temperature 16. Dew point 13. Altimeter 3003. Density altitude 3100 feet. Bird activity in vicinity of airport. Advise on initial contact. You have information Papa.
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, contact Joshua departure on 124.55.
124.55 X-ray Golf Sierra. Joshua departure, Champion Sierra X-ray Golf Sierra with you 5,500.
Champion Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra, Joshua departure. Good morning, Agua Dulce, altimeter 2997.
Okay, that was a mistake. I accidentally inverted the flight plan. And I've re-inverted it, so hopefully this will
Copy, phone number, Cessna CC.
take us back.
Roger, phone number, copy, Cessna CC.
So we want to skip to the next leg because that leg is a little bit, that waypoint is a little bit too close to terrain. We want to go there. Activate leg, yes please. Activate, yes please.
JetBlue 531 contact SoCal approach on 124.55. Good day.
Oh yes. Oh, what the heck, man. I think that'll do. We got some cloud out towards Mojave, so that might be a problem. Maybe that's just mist, fog.
Joshua Birch, Delta 1250, would like to request an alteration in the IFR flight plan to Jenny 5 arrival procedure.
Give me 1 second for that clearance.
Joshua approach Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, request transition through Palmdale airspace to the northwest.
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, transition through Palmdale airspace approved. Maintain current heading and altitude.
Transition approved, current heading, altitude, X-Ray Golf Sierra.
AirCal 537 Joshua approach, roger. AirCal 537 Joshua approach, contact Los Angeles Center on 132.85. 132.85, AirCal 573. AirCal 537, correction. Okay, nice.
X-Ray Golf Sierra, I have amended my heading. Heading is now 335.
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, heading changed to 335 approved.
That was probably not strictly legit, but we didn't get in trouble. I think I missed a waypoint out. L00. Can I insert that?
Clearance on request. Stand by.
That worked, that's good. Oh God.
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra. Altitudes at your discretion. No navigation.
X-Ray Golf Sierra, are there any reports of activity in the Buckhorn Moa between Lima 00 and Mojave?
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra. No reports of activity in the Buckhorn MOA between Lima 00 and Mojave.
Thank you very much, X-Ray Golf Sierra.
Champion Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra. Joshua departure. Contact Mojave Tower on
127.6, X-Ray Golf Sierra. Mojave Tower, Champion Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra with you, 5,100 for 3,500, 12 miles to the southwest, inbound to land.
Champion Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra, Mojave Airport Tower, enter right downwind for runway 22.
Right downwind, runway 22, Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra. Why isn't it cycled to the next waypoint?
Contact ground on 123.9er. Switching to ground 123.9er, moving 2220.
We've got terrain right in the way. Can we... Okay. Current heading is 002. If we set course to the same. Yes. OBS.
Going around.
Should work.
All aircraft information. Lima is now current. Altimeter 299er6.
96.
Cessna 6 Whiskey Uniform frequency change approved. Contact Los Angeles Center on 132.85. Have a good flight. 132.85. Cessna 6 Whiskey Uniform. Have a good day. Mojave Tower, uniform, holding short runway 26. Great. Board departure, Templar, with information.
Champion X-Ray Golf Sierra, winds calm, runway 22, cleared to land.
Clear to land, runway 22, X-Ray Golf Sierra, entering the downwind.
Mojave, contact ground on 123.9er.
36 Whiskey Uniform, Mojave Tower, line up and wait.
Mojave Ground, Champion, Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra, just cleared runway 22, like to taxi to general aviation parking with progressive taxi, please.
Champion Sierra X-Ray Golf Sierra, Mojave Airport ground taxi to Park 1048 via Alpha Echo.
Climate maintain 4,000, 5,000, 10 minutes after departure.